Welcome guys, Dubai Keys. I'm currently logged into my CoinMarketCap website. You can see I'm currently on the Airdrop portal. It says here that there's a SecretSky. We're looking at SecretSky.finance airdrop. So the market data is tracked. SecretSky is worth about 0.00041 US dollars. That's about 42 US dollars, and it's still counting. You can see the lows is about 0.0003976 to highs of about 0.0004281. So the first step usually is just to click on this start button here, the one at the top right. Can I tell you that Secret Sky has been added to your watch list, which is the basics in getting airdrops. So you can see here we have a fully diluted market cap 417, and these are some of the statistics. So this airdrop is going to last for just less than 24 hours. Okay, I think it should be more than that, but you need to jump for this airdrop as soon as possible because it's currently running. So they are giving out 23,000 SSF tokens. That's the Secret Finance tokens airdrop campaign. So participate in $23,000 SSF tokens. You can get up to 22,899.21 SSF tokens. This airdrop is meant to run from August 3rd to 2021 to August 12th, 2021, ends in 2 days. So the total airdrop is about 45 million SSF tokens. That's about 45,798. They are giving it to 2,000 winners, so to about 200,000 people have participated. But that should not hinder you because most times these airdrops are usually randomly selected. So that's the benefit you have of participating in them. So the step here is saying you need to add it to your watch list, which we've done already. Follow them on Twitter account, join the Telegram group. These are very easy steps. Reddit community, you need to have an account on Reddit, which is easy too. Is easy. You just need to use your email address and log in. Then fill out the airdrop participation form and leave your BSC address. So for the BSC address, if you don't have a Binance merchant address, I'll be leaving a link to Binance in the description box or in the comment section, so you can get access to, you can sign up on Binance and get discounted access to Binance there, whereby you can also get your wallet address. So airdrop rewards about 45,798. So these are just some of the stakes. So I'll be leaving all you need to in the description box below. So guys, peace out guys, one love, and cheers to winning this airdrop.